You messed up on that, right?
Yeah.
Well,
Mess up.
yeah, well.
Ready?
Go again, Jesse.
Watch out. Watch out.
Hold on a second, Jesse.
Austin, you should go on the grass.
No, I have it zoomed in. Start from where you did last time. Get as much as there as you like last time. Yeah, because you got mad air. You can ask everyone else. Didn't he get mad air? And then like now he's not because he's starting like right there. Yeah. Not too fast. Not too fast. I cleared the whole sidewalk. Take me with you. Just come take it and watch me. Where's Joey? He just
We'll take all of us.
Yeah. Keep going until you can't.
Not the best. No, not the best. Did I go blue?
Not that much. You got like that much.
Oh, not the best side? How old is that? Ready, Jesse? Should I do it once more? Yeah, sure.
I just had to get the feeling of this play first.
Okay. It's going.
Yeah.
Nick on the seats.
We get ready to see.
Wait, let me try a new bike.
Austin, I didn't get that.
Swear to God.
Swear to God, I didn't get it. I'm joking, I got it.
You said swear to God. Ready? I'm gonna 360. Check out. I didn't even run it.
I could, but I don't have enough air. Can I try one more?
Last one.
This is too good.
Austin, you said that on the fakies that we were doing. One more.
Straight messed up.
Austin, just give him his bike back. Wait, what kind of pedals do you have?
He has. You get them off this one? Oh.
What do they say?
Oh, wow. Change the lock on it?
Come on, Austin.
Yeah, well, I'm just gonna get your car.
Go. Dude, he's going slow as hell.
Jesse, let me try on your bike.
My arm's hurting. Come on.
Let me try on your bike.
I need to get some good footage here.
Oh, let me try your bike real fast then. Here, you want your bike? Someone can grab this bike. Can you hold it until one grabs it?
Yeah.
Is that bike mad? Like?
Wait, what kink do you have?
I don't even have the case.
Oh.
It's a horror. It's a horror.
Oh.
I just took the stickers off. I put like kink stickers and all that on.
Where'd you get the kink sticker?
What?
Where'd you get the kink sticker?
Now my hat's off, so I don't have to really.
Providence Bicycle?
Yeah. You have to make a purchase. I was there with my friend.
How high am I even getting?
Pretty high. Air?
That much.
Yeah, you got a little bit.
You got about from the bottom of my phone to my hand. Austin, I want to try it now.
I got out of there.
Yeah, you did. I messed up on that one.
I'm holding somebody's bike and it hurts bad. Hurts bad. Austin, hold this.
5 minutes and 13 seconds.
Yeah, we took 5 minutes already. Because you didn't want to stop, so you could pause it. My turn.
You alright? You alright? You're right.
Second time in the day I'm getting hurt. Ow, it hurts so bad.
I feel bad.
Oh God, I got
Jesse Fuller.
Ow, that hurt.
Nut shot.
Ow. Oh God.
That's exactly where you got hurt right there.
Oh, it hurts on the sides now. Oh.
Oh, it's already over my head.
I did, sorry.
Seriously?
Bye,
We're good.
Oh, it hurts a lot.
Dude, hey, I have a good heads up for you. Pull up when you get to the thing.
Right now, that's what I keep on doing it. Get a lot of air.
You guys know how to grind?
Yeah, but did I get any? I can't do it.
I just learned how to like
Did I
yesterday.
get any on the backside?
Kind of. Like not high, but did.
Yes. Still getting air.
Hey, you don't have to get too much air. As long as you're getting air, that's all that matters. Who made this jump? Who?
There.
It was?
Yeah, except like I think Joey like started just like adding it down a little bit.
Can you hold it right here for a minute? I just want to try on your bike once more. I just want to get just like.
Is it playing?
Put it right on the thing.
Is it playing?
Yeah, it's right.
I took the same since the last time. You know you should never keep on metal pedals. As soon as I took the metal pedals.
Come on!
Yeah. As soon as I took the metal pedals off my bike, it was so much light.
How much air?
Pretty good air.
Yeah.
Try it. Watch everyone else too.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa, your bike's super light. Austin, this bike is super light.
I know. Dude, if you feel this way.
I messed up, but I still got this. I still got it. Like right before it.
Jesse, try it on this bike.
Oops.
Ask him. Nah. I've thought about that. Yeah, he does want to.
I want to buy noise Wildcats.
I'm not stealing my crown. I have crown. Add that. No. Wait, what is on his bike?
So how that was, Jesse?
What? No.
Ask him. I almost went over.
Austin, let me see that Wildcat.
There you go.
Pretty good.
Air?
Yeah.
Yo, wheelie time. Oh, alright.
Nah, never mind. Because my dad wants me to keep them.
You sound like Joey.
Huh?
You sound like Joey, kinda. Do you know him?
Austin, my dog will hurt.
No, tell me I was just joking. I wasn't.
Austin, I think we should go from the wax is already here.
Alright. We're gonna start heading.
Wait, what? What happened?
We're gonna start going now.